Hey everybody, today we are taking a trip to the Sinkhole just outside of Wiltondale, Newfoundland, Labrador. It's a local tourist attraction that a lot of people go to on skidoos, so we're going to go in today and have a look. So if you're in the Wiltondale Deer Lake area, you're on the Groom Trail coming in like we just did. You come to this patch of woods here, which looks like any other patch of woods alongside the trail, with very little signage, other than right there. That sign there says the Sinkhole. So we're going to walk down now and have a look, show you what it's like. That is quite the sinkhole there. Quite the spot. Now the question is, am I going to go down into the sinkhole and have a look up? What do you people think? Yes or no?
Gotta go down there.
This is really not smart. Anyways, I had to put this down in my coat and hold on with two hands to get down here. I should have given you the GoPro down there. I'm trying to do this. I'll get a video coming back up, but going down, I don't know. Oh, we might get it this way. Yes, we can do it this way. There's no cell service down here, no satellite service. I think we're just going to let go of the rope and we're going to say the fuck it, and we're going to slide down. Like I don't have to let go of the rope, sure, the rope ends 25 feet from the bottom. Yeah, okay, this is where this is going to go horribly wrong. "25 feet from the bottom, no more fucking rope." Oh well, it's fun and games to get to the bottom of the sinkhole. Woo! Good Lord. What?
Nobody would have ever guessed you're an eye angle rescue trainer.
Trying to do it with one hand on a GoPro. This is absolutely spectacular down here if you've never been. Man, this is quite the spot. We might be all dead down here tonight, but...
See what they lit the dark woods around it, what?
Oh yeah. Holy fuck.
But apparently these are common in there. But I never noticed the rocks that colour before.
No, they're different, aren't they?
Yeah.
Right there overhead, that's up. Yeah, you don't want to walk underneath them icicles up there. So they call this the Lomond River sinkhole. I guess it's part of the Lomond River.
Man, tons of ice just hanging off the rock. I don't know what it looks like on the video, but it looks somehow right up there.
Waterfall on the bottom of the sinkhole. You can actually walk right around behind the waterfall. Bottom of the sinkhole between the two waterfalls. This is pretty friggin' cool, man.
Wide way so you get more of them, I think.
Turn the phone
See,
together.
man, you're right under a pile of treacherous fucking. See, it was just simply mushy. Oh, get a grip.
So that was a quick trip and groom trail getting in here, and this is the view from the bottom of the sinkhole. Highly recommend coming here if you're in the area. It is absolutely spectacular.
This isn't one at a time, I'll do.
Not only did we come to the sinkhole, that silly fella twisted his knee 2 days ago on Skidoo, and it's black and blue and he can hardly walk, and here he is. It took a good out of me.
Yeah.
His knees hurt him, they're not bad. That's a bit the most strain you can put on a knee. Jesus, we're nuts. I don't know how I'm getting up out of this.
You going down there, bud?
Probably.
Look at the way you're holding that tree or not.
That is. If I was at work, I wouldn't be allowed to do this without no H&S inspection. Perhaps a RIT team. Yeah, so it was supposed to be just me going down in the sinkhole, but the other two idiots went ahead of me, so now I'm going down with them, and if we don't get up, there's no one to come looking for us, for the love of. So if you find this camera, I'm going to tell you that I didn't borrow it, unlike Hillary and Mallory. This is my camera, and this is 2023. That fellow there said he's going to be the last one to see us. Anyway, I'm going to stick this down in front of my coat now and go down the hall. You might never see us no more. From there, just go up there and trail when I pass the by. Just follow me. That's already on and recording. Just point it at me.
I don't know how you can drive with one hand, bud.
So, we climbed over the top lip to come down in the sinkhole, and we were committed to coming all the way down before we realised that it is a 60-foot drop to the bottom, and Some genius put a 20-foot rope from the top.